Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited for today's video because I'm sharing swatches of the newest gel trio from Mini Macaron, and this one is my favorite collection yet. It's called Serenity, and this trio consists of 2 classic shades plus 1 brand new shade. All Mini Macaron gels are 3-in-1, which includes a base coat, color coat, and top coat in one bottle, and as always, they're all cruelty-free, vegan, and 9-free as well. The Serenity Trio is currently on sale at minimacaron.com for $30 USD, or you can also purchase these gels individually for $11.99 USD and use my code caramellogram10 for 10% off on regular price items. Now let's see the swatches. First up is the brand new shade called Fleur Blue, which is an absolutely beautiful medium periwinkle blue. I've been super into periwinkles lately, and this shade checks all the boxes for my perfect spring shade. The formula is super smooth and buttery, and it's opaque in 2 easy coats, and I'm curing after each coat for 30 seconds in my milkshake LED lamp. And remember, with LMM gels, or with any gels for that matter, you want to keep that first coat super thin, and then on your second coat you can apply a slightly thicker layer. So here are 2 coats of Fleur Blue. Next up is Mint Chocolate Chip, which is a pastel mint green shade. This is one of the classic LMM shades, but it's new to my collection, and I'm super stoked that it's part of the new trio because light mint and aqua shades are my absolute favorite shades to wear all year round, and I thought this shade would be similar to Sweet Mint, but it's definitely a lot lighter and more of a pastel. And if you want to see any comparisons, let me know, and if I have the polishes, I'd be happy to do that. Mint Chocolate Chip was perfect for me in 2 coats, but you may need a 3rd coat if your second layer is really thin. So here are 2 coats of Mint Chocolate Chip. The 3rd shade in this trio is called Coconut Yogurt, another one of LMM's classic shades. This is a soft and creamy off-white shade with a hint of pink, and the pink is so subtle, and when I had it on, it felt very soft and flattering, and almost like a more wearable version of a traditional white polish. Coconut Yogurt is a little more translucent than the other 2 shades, so I personally preferred it built up in 3 coats. So here's 3 coats of coconut yogurt. And here's one more look at the swatches of the new Serenity trio from Mini Macaron. These shades are totally up my alley, and honestly, I can't pick a favorite from this collection because I really like all 3 shades. I love how they look on their own and together, and I'm probably going to be doing some nail art with them soon, so stay tuned for that. If you want to see some more Mini Macaron swatches, nail art, or reviews of their gel manicure kits, Maxi kits, or chrome powder, I'll leave a link to my LMM playlist on your screen and in the description box below. And if you're new to my channel, I do swatches, reviews, and nail art tutorials, so be sure to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up. But anyways, that's all for today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!